all the UPSC aspirants who get a rank and they become civil servants, they have followed a disciplined schedule. Those who could not get success, sometimes the reason is very small. Improper timetable. Some days they study for 10 hours, the other days they study only for 2 hours. So there's only randomness. And this kind of routine doesn't match your real life also. You have the college timings also, you have the job hours also if you're working, you have energy levels also that needs to be taken care of. You make a chart that says कि सुबह 5 बजे उठो, 6 to 9 आप polity पढ़ेंगे, 9 to 12 आप history पढ़ेंगे, 12 to 2 आप current affairs पढ़ेंगे, and then you'll have a lunch. Such a hectic schedule. Now such timetable, it looks perfect on paper, but it collapses on the first or second day. एक हफ्ते में तो पक्का. फिर गिल्ट आता है, सेल्फ डाउट होता है, बर्नआउट होता है. सो यू शुडंट वेक अप आस्किंग कि आज क्या पढ़ना है. देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर प्लानिंग. So if you're aiming for UPSC-CSE 2027 and your first attempt, it should be the most disciplined attempt of yours. You can't afford to experiment for 1 year and then get serious. Don't do this with yourself. Don't start with chaos, make a proper schedule. That's why Santosh Sir is doing a live session on how to build an effective timetable for UPSC Civil Services exam. It is specially for the college students, for the working aspirants who really need a timetable because a proper planning is required to clear this exam. Join us on 15th of November at 5 p.m. The link is in the bio. Register and don't forget, because this exam is very much doable in the first attempt. So do it with the proper planning.